Every time you open an app, scroll through a feed, or search for something online, you are being watched. Not by a person, but by an algorithm. Every tap, every pause, every click, and every swipe is tracked, measured, and analyzed. And without you even realizing it, those invisible systems begin to influence your attention, your desires, and ultimately, the choices you make with your money. You might think you are browsing freely, but behind the screen, your behavior is being studied, predicted, and quietly guided. Think about the last time you bought something online. Did you plan it? Or did it appear in your feed, exactly at the right moment, when you were bored, tired, or curious? Algorithms notice patterns like yours. They track when you are most likely to click, linger, or tap. Buy now. And once they understand your behavior, they start to guide you, slowly, subtly, in ways that feel natural. By the time you realize it, your spending has already been influenced, shaped, and nudged into action. It starts small. Personalized recommendations appear that feel helpful. You might like this, or customers also bought this. Then it escalates. Products you glanced at weeks ago reappear at the exact moment you were scrolling late at night. Limited time offers pop up when your attention is at its peak. Notifications buzz just when your resistance is lowest. Every purchase you think is voluntary has already been carefully positioned, engineered to appear at the right time in your day. The more you interact, the more the algorithm learns. It tracks your mood, your timing, and even the rhythm of your scrolling. Are you shopping when stressed, tired, or bored? The system knows. It predicts your behavior with incredible accuracy and personalizes your feed so perfectly that it feels like magic, or worse, like free will. But it's not free at all, it's engineered. Every suggestion, every notification, every product placement is designed to guide your attention and your spending before you even realize what is happening. Algorithms don't just show products, they shape your desires. They don't just track your spending, they manipulate it. Endless feeds, autoplay videos, pop-up suggestions, and constant notifications are all designed to keep you scrolling, engaged, and buying. The longer you stay, the more data is collected, and the more precise the algorithm becomes. Every click teaches it something new about you, creating a feedback loop that becomes stronger over time. Your financial behavior becomes a blueprint for the system. Every item you buy, every cart you abandon, every product you linger on is logged, analyzed, and used to predict your next move. The system learns what makes you hesitate, what sparks curiosity, and what finally makes you give in. It quietly builds a map of your habits, preferences, and vulnerabilities, shaping the way you act online, often without your conscious awareness. Social platforms blur the line between entertainment and shopping. You are no longer actively looking for products. They find you while you scroll, laugh at videos, or watch stories. You did not plan to buy anything, yet your cart is full, your recommendations feel perfect, and your spending feels effortless. This is not random. It is a carefully designed system, built to keep your attention long enough to influence your decisions without you noticing. It goes beyond small purchases. Consider subscriptions, in-app purchases, and buy now, pay later services. Each seems small, almost harmless, but together they create a pattern that algorithms can track and influence. Buy now, pay later removes the hardest part of spending, the cost, allowing you to enjoy something immediately while delaying the consequences. Once consequences are delayed, self-control weakens. Slowly, without noticing, your present becomes full of things your future self will need to pay for. The system even learns your emotional patterns. Are you more likely to buy when you are stressed after work? Do you scroll for hours when you feel lonely? Do notifications tempt you more when you are sleepy late at night? All of these behaviors are being measured, studied, and predicted. The algorithm doesn't just sell products. It sells at the moments when you are most vulnerable, when your resistance is low. And when you are most likely to act without thinking, the future of spending will be even more subtle. Algorithms will predict moods, habits, and preferences down to the second. Your fridge may reorder groceries automatically. Your car could pay tolls or parking fees without asking. Your home might renew subscriptions you barely remember signing up for. Even wearable devices could suggest purchases based on your heart rate, activity, or mood. Spending will happen while you are living your life, distracted and thinking about other things. The less you notice, the less control you retain. Technology promised convenience, speed, and simplicity, and it delivered perfectly. But it also created distance between action and consequence, between desire and discipline. Money no longer leaves your hands, it leaves your awareness. When friction disappears and cost feels abstract, it becomes nearly impossible to control, regulate, or even understand. What once required thought now happens automatically, quietly, invisibly, and sometimes dangerously. If this story made you rethink the taps and swipes you make every day, take a moment to subscribe to the channel. More deep dives into the hidden systems quietly shaping our world are coming, and you will not want to miss what happens next. Every tap, every scroll, and every subscription is part of a story bigger than you realize. Understanding it is the first step toward taking back control over your attention, your desires, and your spending.